All right, we got a 2024. This is a new unused EGN EG360 skid steer loader, 38-inch on the bucket there and width. It's got the simple little gas engine, very easy to use and operate. Auxiliary hydraulics. So there are implements that you can purchase for these as well. We do have some in the auction. Forks, mowers, and we got trenchers, all the stuff. So I'm just gonna fire it up. I'm not able to show you how it runs around, but we'll fire it up for you. You can check out the other videos if you want to see how they run and drive. So choke out. That's that. So come check it out. Preview day. It's the day before the sale from 9 to 4. Any questions in the meantime, just let us know and we'll be happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you preview day.